Hey, today you'll learn how to use AI in Google Slides. You'll see exactly how to add AI features to your presentations. First, open your browser and go to slides.google.com. If you're not signed in yet, use your Google account credentials. This way, your work is saved and you can access it from any device. From the home page, you can open an existing project, but for this tutorial, click on Blank Presentation. You can also pick a template if you want a quick design boost. Now, here's where things get interesting. Inside your slide editor, look for the Gemini icon. It's a small button that unlocks AI-powered tools built right into Google Slides. Click the Gemini icon and you'll see an option to try it out. Once enabled, AI can suggest layouts, generate text, recommend visuals, or fine-tune your content. For example, you can ask AI to rephrase a title, add talking points, or suggest images that match your content. These features help you save time and make your slides look more polished. Remember, these AI tools are here to help, but your creativity is still the most important part. Try things out, experiment, and see which features fit your style best. With Gemini built in, you've got a powerful assistant right at your fingertips. Try it in your next project and see how much easier and faster presentations can be. Thanks for watching. Happy creating!